Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Govind Sharma, Assistant Professor Mathematics, and today, again, with a series of complex analysis, our topic is complex integration. Yesterday, I explained the topic and some theorems. If you are new and then join the my next previous lecture, and learning objective, the students are able to understand the Cauchy integration and complex integration. Now we move to the our lecture with some numerical problem on uh, complex integration. Today we will discuss on numerical problem. Now we take a question, a problem. Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 4 plus 2i. Then Z bar is Z is equal to t square plus iota t. B, the line from z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2 iota, and then follow by the line from z is equal to 2 iota to z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota. Okay, given that z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota, and the function is given z bar dz, and z is equal to given in the form of t. So here we know here first of all we know that z is equal to x plus iota y. So we find the value of x and y. Okay, in the terms of t. So by comparing, so z bar, what is the value of z bar? X minus conjugate of, we can write x plus iota y, z bar is equal to x minus. So dz is equal to dx plus iota dy. Dx plus iota dy. Now z bar is equal to, now z bar dz can be converted in x minus iota y dx plus iota y. Now we take first when we have z is equal to t square plus iota t. So implies x is equal to t square, y is equal to t. So dx is equal to 2t, dy is equal to 2t. Now dz becomes 2t plus iota. x we put the value of dx equal dt 2t dt. Okay, dx is equal to 2t dt or dy is equal to dt. We can write as like 2t dt plus it. This is the value of t. Now, if z in this form and we know z is equal to x plus I tau. So by comparison of this we get x is equal to this and y is equal to this and dz is equal to if z is equal to 0. Then t square plus iota t is equal to 0. That implies t is equal to. But if z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota, then t square plus iota t plus iota t. Now, when z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota, then t, t square plus iota t is equal to 4 plus 2 iota. That implies t is equal to t is equal to. Now, t is equal to. Now, we put value of z bar. Z bar dz is equal to t is equal to 0 to 2. Z bar we know that value of zy equal to t square minus iota t because x is equal to t square and y is equal to t. Dx 2t dt plus iota. The all equation change in the form of all equation change in the form of t. Okay. Again we see that z is given t square plus iota t. Here x with comparison with x plus iota y. We found x is equal to t square and y is equal to t. Dx is equal to 2t dt and dy is equal to dt. So dz is equal to 2t dt plus iota dt. So 2t dt plus iota dt. This is form of dz. Z now z is equal to 0. T square plus iota t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. Z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota t square in this form. Now we solve. Now 0 to 2, we multiply all the equation. We will get 2t cube dt minus iota 2t square dt plus t square iota dt minus minus plus. Now integration 2 t square by 4 minus 2 iota t cube by 3 plus iota t cube by 3 plus t square by. Now put the value t is equal to 2 first upper limit and then lower limit. So here we get 2. I solve it. So 1 by 2 t4. Here we put 2 to 4 by 2 minus 2 iota by 3 2 का cube plus iota by 3 2 का cube plus 2 का square by 2 minus lower limit is equal to 0. Now we get 2q8 minus 16 iota by 3 plus 8 3 iota plus 2. Then we write like 10 minus 3. So we can write 10 minus 8 by 3. This is our this is our now now B part. Now we talk about B part. Okay, explain it again. Let this is the Z bar and this is dz. So after multiplication we get this integration of t to power n dt is equal to t n plus 1 upon n plus 1. We integrate and then write the upper limit and lower limit. Now the second part is given when z is equal to 0, z is equal to 2 and then z is equal to 2 iota, so z is equal to 4 plus. So we can draw it when z is equal to 0 means this is at origin 0 0. Z is equal to 0 to 2 iota. Z is equal to 2 iota 0 2 iota. Then move to this line 4 plus 2 iota. So this is 4 plus 2 iota means 4 and 2. 4 2 iota This is the line. Now we have OA. This can be Z. Actually, Z is equal to 4 plus 2 iota. Here we can compare x plus iota y, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. So we can write 4 and 2 iota. Now we have to find out z bar dz. This is OA z bar dz plus AB. Now for OA, we first discuss about OA. OA x vary from 0 to 0. For OA line x is equal to 0. So z is equal to x plus iota, 0 is equal to x. So dz is equal, sorry, x is equal to 0. Sorry. Therefore x is equal to x plus iota y, x is equal to 0 to z is equal to iota y. Implied dz is equal to iota. Now here y change from, or we can say vary from, now y is equal to 2 iota. Y change from y is equal to 0 to 2 iota, or we can say 2. Iota is not, y is vary from y to 2. For OA. For AB, y is constant at 2. So dy is equal to 0, and z and x vary from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to. Okay, friends, you can see easily for OA. For OA is the y axis, x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, put dz is equal to iota dy. Okay, and y vary from 0 to 2. For AB, y constant, so dy is equal to 0, and x vary from 0 to 4. Either pair implies dz is equal to d. dz is equal to dx. Now, now we can work for OA 0 to 2 x minus iota y z bar, and x is equal to 0 for OA. For OA x is equal to 0, d put dz is equal to iota dy. Plus 0 to 4 here, and x minus iota y dx. Okay, because y is equal to y is equal to y is constant, so dy is equal to 0. Here we put the value of x and y also. For OA x is equal to, for OA x is equal to 0, so 0 minus iota y iota d plus 0 to 4. Here x is equal to y is equal to constant 4, x minus 4 iota. This is the question basis should be concept should be clear when we uh, attempt this question, this type of question, because you're more confusing according to the past. Now we can write 0 to 2 iota square is equal to minus 1 become y dy plus 0 to 4 x dx minus 4 iota. Or we can already make x minus 4y x. So this become y square by 2, 0 to 2 plus x square by 2 minus 4 iota f here. Now put the limit for 16 by 2 minus minus 16. When we put 0, this converting 0. So 2 plus 8 minus 16. This is can be 2, 10 minus 16. This is our there also. Y value of y is 2. Okay, value of y is 2. Sorry. Value of y is 2. So it will convert to 8. 8. 8. Because value of y is equal x will be changed from 0 to 4. Y is equal to. Also put y is equal to. So only change in the x from 0 to 4. So again we will see this question, important question at the point of examination. Take, let given z is equal to 0, z is equal to 2i. Means real part is not there. So x is equal to take 0. So where will x is equal to 0? At y-axis. Y-axis, x is equal to 0, imaginary axis, x is equal to 0. So here z is equal to 0, here z is equal to 2 pi. So y change, y is equal to 2. Okay, now here it changed to 4 plus 2 iota. This is the point for B, 4 plus 2 iota, so 4 and 2 are the coordinate of this point. This will be become 4. Okay, 4C is become 4. Now the integration of this path, we can select 0 to A C1 and A to B C2. Two paths are there. OA A. For OA, For OA, x is equal to 0. For OA, this is the y-axis, imaginary axis, real part should be 0. So x is equal to 0. So z is become x plus iota y, z is equal to iota. So dz is equal to iota. Okay. Y change from 0 to 2. 0 to 2 and x is equal to 0. For 0 to 4. Now again, this is OA part. Now we talk about AB part. AB. For AB part, y is equal to constant. Y because we get a straight line from y parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis, this line. Here y is equal to 2. This is the constant line, y is equal to 2. So dy becomes 0 because when y is equal to constant, then dy is equal to no change in y. So this is constant. Now x vary from x is equal to 0 to because x vary from this is our y-axis, imaginary axis we can say. This is our real axis. Y vary from this place to x vary from this. There x is equal to 0 and here move. This line is parallel to this. So x vary from 0 to 4. 0 to 4. X is vary from 0 to 4. X is equal to 0 to 4. So dz is equal to become dx because dy is equal to 0. So the integration 0 to 2 for OA. 0 to 2 change in y. 0 to 4 change in dx. So x is equal to 0, put the value x is equal to 0 for OA path. AB path y is equal to 2. Now iota multiply with minus 1, so this minus convert in positive y is 0 to 4 x minus y की value we put 2. This convert. Now we integrate y square by 2 x square by 2 minus 2 iota dx. After put the limit we get the result. And minus theta. This is our so both the parts of this question is important. This type of question asked in the examination. Now I write another question. If P is the circle z minus 1, then verify the Cauchy integral. For function z cube minus iota z square 5z plus this is our to student here in this question. C is a circle. This is given circle equation is given. This is the equation of circle. But their center is not 0 0. The center is 1 0. Okay? 1 0. I will explain you that how we can say that center is circle is 1 0. Then verify. We have to verify. We have to verify the Cauchy integration law. I told you Cauchy integration theorem was a closed path statement that fz pz is equal to 0 for a closed quantum. I told you. So here we will verify this is a closed path. The this type of curvature we found 1 0. This is circle. So this is a closed path. So we can say this will be the integration of this will be 0. Okay. So first we will show that this how we can say this is a circle. Z minus 1 is equal to 2. X plus iota y, put the value of z minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 plus iota y 2. So it may be x minus 1 plus square plus y square is equal to r is equal to 2 to 2. This is called the this is equation of circle. We have what is the center of this? Center is 1 0 and radius is equal to now now I told you that when we discuss on a circle we change z is equal to r e to power iota. I already told you here r is equal to what is the value of r 2 to 2 e to power iota we can put. Okay. So dz is equal to this is our setting z dz. Now this is over there. Okay. Now our function z cube minus iota z square minus 5z plus 2. So put z cube here 2 e to power iota theta. Sorry, 2 e to power iota theta cube minus iota 2 e to power iota theta. Okay, 2 e to power theta. This is our function. Now we can write like that. 8 equals 3 iota theta minus iota 4 equals 2 iota theta minus tan equals iota theta plus. So this is our function in the form of. Now we discuss here for a circle surface. So theta is vary from, so theta is equal to vary from 0 to theta is equal to, because we talk about the circle at this point, theta at this point, about theta is equal to 0. When we move from here to inside, theta is equal to 2. Theta is equal to 2. Now converting, theta is equal to 2 pi and theta is equal to this is all. So integration with respect to this, we will get the result. Okay. So student, to be practice of this, we will take in next lecture if we possible. Now we move to the quiz. What is complex integration? From integration of the complex number? No. Integration of complex curve. This is just in this question I ask you, the curve is given us. Curve is given us. So this is called the complex integration curve. What is the Cauchy integration over closed contour? The result of integration of fz. Dz is equal to c constant? No. Integration of f dz is equal to c is equal to z. No. Integration of f z dz is equal to 0. This will be verified in our next lecture on the given question. Okay. How to verify the Cauchy theorem. In a complex function, fz integration with half circle. This is important question. If half circle we take the radius a circle and function is 1 upon z, then function is pi iota or minus iota, because if we take half 0 to pi, then the result we get iota pi. If we take pi to 0, we get minus pi. So though A and B both are the right option, so D is the correct option. In Z is equal to 1, if the equation of Z is equal to 1, if the equation of, this is the equation of parabola, circle, ellipse or not. So Z is equal to 1, we can write x plus iota y is equal to 1, and when we remove the modulus, we get x square plus y square is equal to 1. So it is the radius where the center is origin. The function is w is equal to 1 upon z is not analytical. At which place this is not analytical. So a place here is not analytical. For this we can draw the w upon dz, which we gain minus 1 upon z square, and minus 1 z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 is the point of singularity or pole. So there the function is not exist. Here I just explain one more thing in this question. If we take the limit, here I explain you, students, how we can say that there is some confusion when you attempt this question. Okay, this is our circle. This is our circle. Okay. Here, this point about the real x, theta is equal to 0. Here, this line, theta is equal to pi. Here we discuss about the semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Half circle. Here, vary from theta is equal to 0 to pi. If we talk about upper circle. But if we talk about lower circle, this circle, we say A, A to B. When A to B, A to B, theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi. But when we talk about the curve C2, this is C1 over this is, when we talk about the C2, C2 means B to here integration theta is equal to pi to theta. So change in the minus sign. Change in the minus sign. So this will become our V to A. V to A means pi to theta. Then we take integration pi to theta, pi to 0. It will be our minus sign. So this is the major concept of this equation, this question. Student, I hope that you enjoyed the lecture, and tomorrow we will verify the Cauchy equation. That the mean f z dz integration of f z dz is equal to 0 only close control. So thank you very much. Keep concentrate on the lecture. Thank you.